Metal furniture is no longer just a functional choice, it has become a powerful design statement in modern interiors. Today, metal furniture represents strength, elegance, and timeless style, blending perfectly with both minimalist and luxury spaces. In this video, we present a carefully curated collection of more than 100 metal furniture pieces that truly deserve a place in your home. From sleek chairs and tables to bold shelving systems, lighting elements, and accent furniture, each piece reflects modern design trends and architectural precision. Metal furniture fits effortlessly into a wide range of interiors. It works beautifully in industrial lofts, contemporary apartments, modern houses, and even classic spaces where metal adds contrast and character. Combined with wood, glass, stone, or fabric, metal creates a balanced and sophisticated atmosphere.
This is the brief on metal furniture design statements. So you've probably noticed, metal furniture is everywhere right now. But why? Well, it's because it's moved way past just being functional. It's become this ultimate statement piece in the design world, you know? It really signals strength, modern elegance, and a commitment to timeless style. First, let's talk about the aesthetics, the look and feel. Modern metal design is all about clean lines, geometric forms, and just functional elegance. You'll see a huge range of pieces, from understated, minimal designs to some really bold sculptural accents. We're talking everything from sleek chairs and tables to lighting and even striking shelving systems.